Giovanni. Giovanni. Wala. Rebound by Senen. Senen. Wala din. Rebound by Contreras. To Ilocos. Steal by Senen. Grabe naman daw. Pagod na to pag second quarter. Wala. Rebound by Evin. Evin leaving the ball. Harassed by Noah. Evin. To Kill. Magandang match up to. Kill versus Giovanni. Ilocos. Dominante. Maipos na mga yan. Rebound by Evin.
Uy!
Steal by Giovanni. Rebound by Evin. Martin Conversory! Wala pa lang. Lopez. Barin. Jen. Barin. What a team drop shot si Van Bayer.
Ay!
Sa kanan na. Wala.
Hala ka! Hala ka!
Wala din rebound by Earl. Harassed by Giovanni. Barin. To Contreras. To Noah na bitawan. Kiel, hinaras na Barin. Karami naman pala haras na ito. Evin for two. Paano kaya makakaputos ang busy nito? Wala kang bantay kanina. Wala pa rin. Ayan ang si Ben. Ayan. Wala. Rebound by Contreras. Umating pa si ulit Ilocos. Barin. Ayan na si Barin. Kalakas na si Barin. Kiel. Nice pass to Earl. Earl, ginamitan ng katawan. Pasok. Stolen by Contreras to Evin. Pinaway.
Yes. Oh!
Contreras to Kiel. To Contreras. Wala, rebound by Noah Jet. Dinamitan ng play. Ayun! Score! 9-4. Barin, ayan na si Barin. Rebound by Jet. Kalaking tao. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ben. Rebound by Earl. 11 seconds. Ilocos.
Ah.
Fritz for 3. Wala. Rebound by Ben. Grabe.
Ay!
Nice pass by Barin. Nice shot by Noah. Humahabol na po ang PCT. Stolen by Ben. Nice assist. Wala. Grabe naman talaga harassment yun ang ginagawa ng PCT. Di ba kay Adrian? Uulit. Prince. Rebound by Noah. Noah to Senen. Senen. Medyo malakas.
Wala na, ano ba yan?
Baring wata. Wow!
Allah. Ta.
Ulit. Ulit. Rebound by Earl. Earl. What a shot. Ulit, pataking, pataking. Thank you. Jeff. 14 seconds. 12 seconds. Gone up for two. Wala. Rebound by RJ. Prince. Tumira ng press. Wala pala. Steal by Noah. Noah. To Ben. To Jeff. 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 What a side step pass. To Barry. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Wala. RJ. RJ. To Earl. Rebound by Earl. Ma-i-post na to ba? Mapipilitan na mag-post dito. Ben for 3! Wala. Rebound by AJ. AJ to Ulit. Ulit. Ulit to AJ.
Ano
Wala.
ba yan?
Rebound by AJ. Wala. 2-1.
Oh!
Ayun na. Kailangan pala may bantay para makashoot. Ulit. Rebound by Ulit. Nice pass to Earl. Grabe yung pass. Nice pass. Stolen by Jeff. Seven seconds. 5. Rebound by Earl. Earl. To Ulit for 3. Wala. Rebound by Baring. Baring. One hand pass to Noah.
Ah,
Kakailan na si Noah. To Ulit. Nice pass. Asi. Sixteen, 50 seconds. 12 seconds. Noah. No more shot clock. Ulit. Nice shot by Ulit. Evin to Ulit. Ulit to Evin. Evin, nice pass. Ulit. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Contreras. Grabe ka. Jeff. For 2. Ulit. Dribbling the ball. Ulit. Contreras. In traffic. Rebound pa rin niya. Rebound din rin. Baring. Baring versus Ilocon. Kiel. To Ulit. Nice pass to Evin.
nakausap pa kasi. Mabigay talaga sa akin.
Jeff. defense. What a shot by Ben. Ulit. 12 in. Rebound by Ben. Ben tumaring! Baring! Baring na matagali! Nagmamadali! Sa harap ni Contreras! Grabe naman. Kaya pa ba ng Dragons? Baka gusto nyo mag-time out. Baling! Stolen by Kelly. Kelly ulit. Wedding. Napit. Contreras. Assist. Tumagal na naman.
Oy.
Grabe naman si Marie. Ulit. Nice pass. Kiel, assist by Ulit. Jen, dribbling the ball. 40 seconds to shoot. Ben for three! Wala. Lima by Contreras. Ulit. To Kiel.
Ayan, galit talaga.
Thousand million. Turnaround move. Number 26. Del Monte. Gary. Ilawan for three! Wala. Ibang naman Gary. Gary to Jeff. What a pass! To Barry. Dito na lang ang kalamangan ng Dragons. Kiel, umira ng tres. Rebound by Contreras. Ilogon. Ilogon in traffic. Grabe naman. Dalawa na ang utang ko. No more shot clock. Escape back. Tula from behind. Ang nililis maglaro. Lopez! Wala. Kaya nga sabi ko, ibigay mo na lang eh. Kiel. Dual. Bye! Del Monte.
Ala.
Iwan by Ben. Jeff. Stolen by Kiel. Del Steel. Barry. Pinasa. Sa kanya. Grabe talaga, oh. Aras. Kiel versus Barry. Kiel versus Barry. Featherweight division. Bantamuin ko ito. Ayan na! Kaisa-isa lang. J-Move. Stolen by AJ. To Prince.
Ay,
Prince
puta.
for three! Wala. Rebound by Ben. Grabe naman yung talon ng siya para manakaw. Rebound by Ronald Lopez. To Barry.
Bayan!
Ay! Tinapos. Zero. Heavyweight versus heavyweight. Ronald Lopez. Baring. Rebound by RJ. Kiel. Rebound by Jet.
Kailangan ko sa likod.
Oo.
Step back. Rebound by AJ. AJ to Kiel. Kiel to Earl. Earl. Rebound by Earl. Lahat kay Earl. Ben. Nice shot by. Siyam na lang po ang kalamangan. Pag si Earl natin ka mga best player, ipopost ko agad. RJ. Nice pass to Fitz. Wala. Rebound by Ben. Ben to Marin. 1 versus 3. Kaya. Step back na naman. Sabi ni Bernal, ayan na. Ayan na step. Ayan na si Marin. Marin nice pass. To Belmonte. Belmonte. Ball na second. Marin. Rebound time. Marin. Marin nice pass. What a shot. Wala.
Ala.
Tapos natin kami dito. Toto sila.
Sorry. Belmonte. Block by Ilogon. Seryoso na pala si Ilogon. Seryoso na nasungkit ang best player. Ulit, nagbubuang out na. Wala. Kiel. To Lorenzo. Nice pala ang Dragons. Barin. To Ben. Nice shot from Ben. To Kiel. Sikip lang po ang laban. Dito lang ang kalamangan ng Dragons. To Ulit. Nice pass. To Logon. Nice pass. To. Kaya nga eh. Ayaw talaga ni Marky Logon ng best player si Ulit. Barin, haras.
Alak.
Haras.
Ay!
Steal by Ilogon. Ilogon to Ulit. Easy. Ben, hinarap mo dalawa. To Jen. Nice. Short. To Ilogon. Lock by Jeff. Jeff coast to coast. Last touch. Takbo daw. Baling. What a shot by Baling. Small but terrible. Itong pangalan ni from Cebu. Cebu's best lechon. Let's go.
Ay!
To Ilogon. Nagulat. To Ulit. To Contreras, assist by ayan si Baring. Rebound by Ulit, rebound na naman si Ulit, coast to coast, Gina. Ayan na, out na si Ulit, pinotoon niya. Lazaro to Kiel. Nagbubuhat ka na din. Ayan na, pumasok na si Earl. At si RJ. Ayan na, deal by RJ. To Ulit. 2 on 2. 2 versus 2. Nice pass to Earl. Ayan na, tinutuwa talaga. Pag kinasa na. Hindi. Baring, napakabilis na flash. Bilang by Ilogon. Ilogon. To Earl.
Alak.
To Ulit. Nice pass to Earl. Shot by... Dahan-dahan lang. Isa lang naglilista nito. Ben. To Jeff. To Noah. Humingi ng bola. Noah. Step back 2. 10 seconds. Shot by Belmont. Dumating na si Adam. Ang best player ng Hustler. Sula. On and off the court. Assist by Ulit. Assist by Ulit. To Jeff. To Noah. Noah. Belmonte. Nice pass to Noah. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Rebound by Earl. To Ulit. 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 Magpapadali. Nice pass to Earl. Wala. Rebound by Magdalon. Ayun na si Magdalon. Tumira ng tres. Tumira. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Ayun! Ano na, Kuya Ronald? Jeff, 15 seconds. Bet for 2. Will repeater. Shot lock. Shot plus 10. Fourteen seconds. Early. Block by Ben. To Noah, 3-on-1. Baring, napitawan, Baring. Kiel. Kiel by Noah. To Baring, napitawan naman. Wala pa. At tinignan pa. Tinignan pa si San Kapunta. Chris. Last time. Baring. Pang. Nice assist. Baring to Jeff. Yan na. Lumalapit na. Kinakabahan na si Mikey Logon. 3 for 3. Wala. Rebound by Earl. Shot Earl. Napadami na. 18 points na si Earl. Oh. 10 na din ang limang. Mukhang may makapicture na pala. Ayan na, tumila ng 3. Alam na. Mag-impake na kayo. May nanalo na. Ihanda na daw ang santok. 2 points lang daw. May trash talk pa. 2 points lang daw. Noah, rebound by AJ. AJ to Kiel. 2-2. 2-3. 2 versus 3. Earn. Kinamitan ng katawan. Grabe talaga ang pinamalas. Nalakas ni Earl Ortega. To Belmonte. Rebound naman Earl, pero napitawan. Wala na daw malagyan sa stats si Earl. Pwede na ba daw isab? Rebound by AJ. AJ to Kiel. Wala. Rebound by Earl. Ayun na si Earl! Tumira ang tres for 3! Wala. Medyo malakas. Rebound by Jeff. Side step. Rebound by Earl. Ano ba yan? Ang dami na. Kiel. Tira. 12 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. One last shot by Earl. Assist by Logon, mga magalit pag-ibigay na. Baring, tumira ng tres, bakante, pero joke lang malapit pass. Ulit, sa patingin kay Earl. pero pinasa sa kalaban. Ulit. Nice pass to Earl. Earl in traffic. Assist by Ulit. Baring. Rebound by Evan. Evan Ilogon. 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 1 versus 3. Ulit. Nice pass to Evan.
Ay!
Walang tinawag. Rebound by Ronald Lopez. Step back 3. What a pass. Wala.
Hanap.
Rebound by Ulit. To Earl. Fake. Rebound pa rin niya. Wala. Rebound
Allah ka!
ni Jeff. Jeff. Baring. Sab ng Erker. Baring. Nice pass. Ganda ng pinasahan.
Ay!
Skill by Evan. To Ulit to Evan. Foul by second shot. Nice shot. Ayan na, next game. Underdog versus Hustler. Magandang laban to. Ben. Rebound pa rin. May pang-post na. May pang-fighting na. Pinasa sa likod. Grabe naman yun. High IQ move from Ronald Lopez. Pila ng to. Jeff Tuben, tumila ng press. Rebound by Logan. Logan. Tumama sa paa. Ben. Noah. Ayan na naman. Ayan na naman. Mark Logan. Makalan mo kami. Baring. Tuba. Wala. Iba ba AJ? AJ, tumulit. Ayan na. Nagsisimula na si Ulit. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound sa kanya pa rin. Nice assist from Ulit. Baring. To Noah. Noah Bennett Ulit. Ronald Lopez. Pasa kay Noah. Diretso. Rebound. And Steal by Baring. Rebound by Ulit. To Ilogon. To AJ. Tumira ng dos na naman. Rebound by Ben. To Jen. Okay, let's go. Ben, to Noah Bakante. Rebound by Jeff. Nice rebound by Jeff. To Belmonte. Wala, rebound by Contreras. To Kiel. Grabe naman to si Earl. Walang upuan. Earl, tumira ng dos. Pasok, please. Grabe naman ang kamay. Baring. Teardrop shot.
Mahaba pa yan. Alam mo naman, bigyan ko sa ano.
RJ. Kiel. Rebound kay Belmonte. Ayaw nang bumaba ni El. Opensa lang daw siya. Offensive player. Rebound by Belmonte. to Baring! Baring! Still by Kiel, still by Kiel. Nice pass to Earl. Sa team. Belmonte. Rebound by Noah. Noah. Wala talaga Noah. Baring. Ayan na. Ayan na. Rebound by Kiel. Kiel to Earl. Earl. Nahiya pa. Shot by Earl. Kiel. Hesitation move. Hesitation. Scrappy.